Are you ready to take your web development skills to the next level? Let's explore how Google's material design can help you create stunning, user-friendly web applications. Material design is a design system introduced by Google, aimed at creating a unified experience across platforms and devices. It's built on three principles: clarity, simplicity, and intuitiveness. Whether you're designing for mobile or web, it ensures your interfaces are visually appealing and easy to use. Why choose material design for web development? It offers a consistent look and feel, responsive layouts for any screen size, and visually engaging elements that elevate user experience. Here are some key features of material design. 1. Typography. Clean and scalable fonts that improve readability. 2. Color palette. A vibrant and flexible color system that brings life to your designs. 3. Responsive layouts. Designs that adapt seamlessly to screens of all sizes. 4. Shadows and elevation. Subtle shadows that create a sense of depth. 5. Motion and interaction. Smooth animations that guide users through your app. 6. Icons and imagery. Built-in support for material icons to enhance usability. Implementing material design is easier than ever with frameworks like 1. Material UI. Perfect for React developers. 2. Vuetify. Ideal for Vue.js projects. 3. Angular Material. Designed for Angular apps. 4. Materialize. A CSS framework for material design. These tools offer pre-designed components, making it simple to get started. Best practices for material design. To get the most out of material design, follow these best practices. Use shadows and animations sparingly to avoid overwhelming users. Stick to a consistent color scheme that aligns with your brand. Prioritize simplicity for a clean, professional look. With material design, you can create intuitive and visually stunning web applications that users will love. Ready to start? Explore frameworks like Material UI, Vuetify, and more to bring your ideas to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more web development insights.